All right, hey everybody. Thanks for checking out this video on tile jobs here. We had a comment that a customer wanted to see some of the jobs that we're getting into. So we're back here in the back room. I kind of call this the flooring department and remodel department. As you can see in the background, we got a refrigerator that we've pulled out and replaced. Still hasn't made its way to the scrappers. And then you'll see over here we've got the tile saw set up here in its storage position, and then we actually have a fiberglass skirt and some bay doors and whatnot from a coach that we are doing a wall on, and then the tile that's getting ready to go into this coach that's here in stock and has arrived. And we got the work table here, all the contents that we've pulled out of the coach, front seats, so on and so forth, and then all the carpet that we've already taken out. Now some of this stuff will still end up being carpet, so we have them labeled bedroom, and those are pieces from where they came from, so we'll be able to cut out the new pieces for the new carpet. And as you'll see right here, we've got the new roll of carpet for this one, and then here's the old carpet from the other one, and then all the couches and chairs and stuff that came out of this coach. So I'm going to run you through real quick the removal stages here in this 2005 Country Coach Magna. It's going to have everything torn out of it carpet wise. We've got the coin rubber that we're going to leave, and then we've got all the carpet stripped from the sides. It's all masked up here, ready to remove all this tile in this front area. And now we have to mask these extremely well because the dust gets so bad in here it'll end up in all the cabinets. So wherever we don't have it really even masked, we still end up taping off the edges of the drawers, so that way none of that dust gets in there. And then we put some protection over the top of the solid surfaces so we don't scratch those all up. And here we've got all the carpet taken out. And then we have the tool here of choice, which is going to be the air hammer with the blunt end on the end of it. And then we just start mutilating the tile. So here's where he's up to so far. As you can see, he just starts fracturing it into small chunks. And then he'll come in and clean that up, and then that's going to leave him the heat mat that we're removing below that. And then he'll clean all that mortar and the heat mat up. So you see these are the wires right here that actually get hot in the mats and heat the floor. So that's how much he's got done in here. As you can see, he's got this all masked off back here.
What's up, Ryan?
And then we've got the toilet room all masked off here. And he's gonna get all those tiles out of there too. So that's the rundown on this coach. I'll take you over to the other one and show you all it. In this coach over here, he's already come through and removed all the tile out of it and got the floor all clean, perfectly smooth, flat down to the raw plywood. And so we'll run you into here. Now this is going to have a fiberglass tub instead of the steel tub for the entry, so that's why it looks a little different, and we'll end up recarpeting that. But here's the heat mat all installed. So we end up stapling that down, and then he's coming to, we give him a blueprint at Gold Heat, and then they make the mats specifically to the dimensions that we give them. So this customer's going to have heated tile floors clear up here to the very front and clear back to the very back to where the step is. So like I said, we've come through, cleaned everything up, made sure there's no staples or anything sticking up, and then laid down the heat mat, and then routed out a groove here in the floor, and then that's where the power goes in under the cabinet and comes up into here, and then we'll route that up to where we're going to mount the thermostats. So that's going to be here at the galley, the termination for this front zone. So this will all be ran off of one thermostat up here, and then here in the back from this line here at this pocket door from here back will be another thermostat. And then I'll come around, heat the floor here in the toilet room, and heat up here next to the bed, and then here. Now you'll see that we have this step And so that'll all stay carpet, because this here in the middle, this is going to be your bed access. So you'll actually have slits in the carpet along the sides there to be able to pull that all up. So we've got all that prepped and ready, and then we've got the power termination here for this particular mat right here, and then we'll put it where the thermostat in behind this cabinet here. So the termination, it starts at one end here, makes its way all the way around, back and forth, and around the whole mat, and then it'll come back and around, and then here's the other end of it right here coming into the mat. And then we've got the thermostat mounted here in the floor, so that way it knows the temperature of the tile. So these are a couple coaches that we've got. They're going to be here a while, of course. This particular coach is going to get some audio video upgrades. If I remember correctly, that 2005 is going to get some audio video upgrades. But thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Hit those notification button. That way you don't miss one of these. Thanks everybody. I hope you're all having a great day. I look forward to filming more of these for you. Till next time. Bye-bye.